I went bowling as a team building thing for my school, and I picked up too heavy a bowling ball, and then it aggravated my elbow. After a few weeks, I decided I better come because it wasn't getting any better, so I better come see Dr. Michelsen, the fourth member of my family to come be a patient of Dr. Michelsen.
When patients come into the office, they want to be heard. And I think it's really important to sit down and spend the first 5–10 minutes with the patient, letting them explain to me what's hurting them, what is the history of their injury, and let them express why it is affecting their life.
Dr. Michelsen has performed 2 surgeries on me, and anything going forward would be by Dr. Michelsen as long as he's in this area. When I sit down and talk to him, it's like talking to one of your best friends. He treats you like he's not in a hurry. It's like you're the only patient in the world that walks into his office that day.
We have our own physical therapy unit, staffed by therapists who have their doctorate's degree in physical therapy. We stress hands-on. We really want our therapists to get their hands on the patients, work with them. It's important that they spend time with the patients just like I do in the office. Physical
therapy is right upstairs from the office, and we live 5–10 minutes away, so it's very, very convenient. I was at physical therapy 2 times, I think, and the therapist already knew me and knew exactly what part of my elbow was hurting.
A fulfilling thing to me is when we finish treating them, whether it be a child, whether it be a rotator cuff repair, whether it be a tibia fracture that occurred during a soccer game, is to have that patient come back in, now with a smile on their face, and walking out the door and participating in the sport or the activity that they used to participate in.
You wouldn't believe how many times people say, hey, can you send me Dr. Michelsen's information? When people ask who my primary care physician is, I always say Dr. Michelsen.
It is very reassuring, especially with 2 very active boys, to know that there are doctors like Dr. Michelsen and his staff.